Hey buddies, it's your girl AyChristene, and today we're checking out Steven Universe Season 2, Episode 22, The Answer. We are getting so much plot moving forward episodes. I'm here for it. I want to dive in. Links down below to become a member or patron so you get the uncut reaction to this series. Now let's get started. Oh yeah, because they're working together. And what's her name is a fan of Amethyst.
Steven.
Oh, hi.
Garnet, is it morning already? Sapphire first met.
Oh,
I
that is so cute. I'm sorry, it's so cute. Goodness, I love Garnet.
Gems were sent from Homeworld to investigate. Among those gems was Sapphire, a rare aristocratic Homeworld gem.
Hey, can't wait for those rebels to get here. Yeah, when I see those rebels, I'm gonna punch them right in their faces.
Her voice is cute.
I'm gonna. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm fine.
Oh.
What?
It's okay. It was bound to happen.
Mm.
Arrived. Blue Diamond spoke. Sapphire, tell me what will happen here.
Mm.
Foresee the rebels attacking the Cloud Arena. Before they are cornered, they will destroy the physical forms of 7 gems, including 2 of my ruby guards.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness.
Immediately after my form,
Sapphire knew
Oh,
she'd be a casualty.
but she knows
She
her.
did not face
Right, her body's
She
coming
saw
back.
her whole life laid out before her. And she had already accepted all of it.
Mm.
what a beautiful place to build a colony. I wish I could have seen more of this planet.
Mm.
There's still time. Crystal gem.
Oh.
Attack was right on schedule.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so when this was started, but where I've heard Ruby's voice somewhere else.
Ruby suddenly realized what Sapphire meant. She had known that Ruby would fail.
Mm-hmm.
Sapphire had accepted it.
Mm-hmm.
Ruby.
Well, they've seen fusions before, but is this the first time someone's fused? What?
This is.
What?
The rebels have fled.
Oh dear.
Sapphire, this is not the scenario you described.
This is not what I saw. I don't know what happened.
Oh dear.
No, it was me.
Clearly, said Blue Diamond. How dare you fuse with a member of...
She was gonna break her? What is she, Princess Peach?
Why'd you do that? I have to get you back up there.
They were gonna break you.
Who cares? There's tons of me.
Oh, she didn't want that to happen.
Frozen.
Oh, like she's actually freezing.
Out of here.
Oh dear.
Come on.
Oh. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, yes. They're so little.
All right, this should be good for now.
They're so adorable. Okay. Are you thinking about the fusion? So beautiful.
It's never like that.
She sounds like
Whenever I've
Illymation.
fused, it's always just been me, but bigger. I've never had a third eye before.
I've never had more than one. It was nice.
They're the first fusion of 2 different types of gems.
I just can't stop thinking.
So, you say I was different. And you had it before. Of course not. When would I have ever?
Oh. They're like, should we? Oh. 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 Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Ah! Don't hurt her! Don't hurt me?
It's you. The fusion.
We didn't
Pearl.
have to fuse. Well, we did this time. We'll not fuse. We'll...
No, please.
Lost and scared
Mm.
and happy.
Mm.
Why am I so sure that I'd rather be this than everything I was supposed to be? And that I'd rather do this than everything I was supposed to do?
Mm.
Welcome to Earth.
Who you are.
So, what was it? The answer?
Yeah, the answer. Oh.
Wow. I knew it.
So did I.
Oh, that's so cute. It's so adorable. I love this show so much. It's so good. Oh my goodness, this show is so good. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh. La 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 la. Ah, that was beautiful. They're adorable. I think the other thing I love about them is that they're little. They're little and like there's a thickness to them, you know? I like that all these gems have different shapes. Like pearl is very pointy and stiff, right? You have amethyst who shares this similar type of makeup where she's thick and little. You have garnet who is, you know, va va voom, right? And rose quartz apparently was also va va voom, okay? She, even the way she talks is very like, yes, don't ever question this, you know? A little bit like Marilyn Monroe, but with more bass. If Marilyn Monroe spoke with more of bass, that would be rose quartz. Man, this was adorable, beautiful, and lovely. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Links down below to become a member or patron to get the uncut reaction to this series. I love it. I love it. I love you guys as always. And until next time, buddies. Toodles.